I decided to get the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I just wanted to do a review slash unboxing, well, more of an unboxing today for you guys on the phone. So here it is. I got the Pacific Blue, the 128 gigabyte. It does say Pro Max there. So this is the 6.7 inch display that just came out recently. So I'm super excited. So let's just get into it, guys. So as we all know, from the recent revealing that the box is actually now super slim because they don't actually give you the box for the charging anymore, just the cable. So as we can see, this is the blue. I'm probably going to use this wallpaper for a little while because I actually really like whoever did this, graphic design wise. And then apparently they don't give you the ear pods anymore, which I got to be honest, I'm not really too bummed about. I never really used those, and I had like a million of them, and I thought they sounded pretty horrible. So, and then just so you guys know, the cord is going to be Lightning to USB-C. But anyways, let's get into it, guys. So there is the phone, which is super cool. So it does have the 3 cameras. And then once again, I got the blue, so it has a very nice kind of stained glass look to it, which I think has a very luxury look and feel. Then they give you screen protector on the front. And then here we go with the cord, guys. So it is a Lightning to USB-C, which, if any of you guys know, means that basically your phone still works with everything else. It has the Lightning port on it. Basically, the biggest thing that is different now with the cord that they give you is now it supports fast charging, which is the USB-C, which is right here. So if you are somebody who wants to fast charge your phone, like myself, you can either use the higher end blocks with Lightning, or you can plug this into your phone right here, and then you can plug this into a USB Type-C box power adapter, and then that's going to get you to the phone. That's going to get you the fast charging, which I believe they're claiming it gets you 0 to 50% in 30 minutes, which is actually pretty impressive, and I've actually used it and it works. So that's really cool. And then as usual, you get your paperwork, and now Apple is trying to save money, so that's all you get. So here is the phone. I'm super excited to review for you guys on it. It definitely feels a little heavier than my XR, but I think that's kind of the idea, just because I saved about 2 years before getting a new phone. So now it has the iPhone 5 design to it versus the curved side. So it definitely feels a little bit more, I think chunky in a good way would probably be a good, I'll do a review for you guys and let you guys know what's going on as far as cameras and everything. I haven't actually used this phone, except for I do work at a phone store, so I've had a little bit of experience with it. But I will do a review of that and let you guys know how it goes.